Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to add keyframe on CapCut PC. So let's say this is my sample video. I'm explaining something on my TikTok, and then here I want to add some keyframe, so I can edit like a speed or like velocity edit and so on. How to doing that? You just make sure your video already on your timeline, and then click the video, and then here on the video on the right tab, on the right corner tab, you can see this is on the position and size. You can see this is the diamond icon. If I hover to it, there is an option of add keyframe, so I just click that one, and then I will find another second. For example, this one I will add another keyframe. So that's it. You can benchmark your keyframe from one to others, and then you can edit by yourself. You can make it as a velocity edit or anything. Okay, that's it. Very simple tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.